Hello and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Monday, marvelous Monday. Got a little bit of a late start today, just a bit. Yesterday was very busy for me in the kitchen. It just was, but the results. First, I started off with preparing cowboy caviar couscous salad. A lot of prep, but boy, is it yummy. This is going to be a repeatable summertime, hot weather, beautiful salad to have in the cold box. It's really good. Then I put together and did the Jamaican curry powder blend. It's got 11 ingredients total. Half of it, the ingredients are actual like whole seed, pod type things. So they actually got roasted in the oven. That started making the house smell wonderful. Then once they cooled off, they went into the spice grinder and got ground, and then it all got put together and ground again. Oh wow, the house. Yeah. So took a little bit of a break, prepped dinner, then done a little short break, and then cooked dinner, which was the Jamaican curry chicken. Oh, you must try this. I'm going to share all three of these recipes because I'm pretty sure, I didn't search the internet for it, but you can't find this Jamaican curry here at least here in the Yuba Sutter area. That's why I had to blend it, my own. This is a wonderful curry. It really is. It's a really good meal. Robin and I discussed a little bit at length how we could not change it, but instead of using potatoes, using rice and things like that. But it's a wonderful, wonderful meal. The house still smells wonderful from the Jamaican curry. Today, I'm taking it a little bit easy. I'm doing a cherry tomato pasta. And maybe, I have it slated for today, but maybe I'm going to do a decadent chocolate dream pie. I might push that off till tomorrow. I'm just a little tired today. Let's see what I got going on here. Got some hardware. A couple Dutch ovens, one for the sauce, one to cook the pasta, then the pasta end up in the pot. We've got a big whopping thing of cherry tomatoes. It's really funny. I actually read the label on this, and it says, "Wash me, please don't refrigerate. It's cold in there." That's kind of funny. So I got some kosher salt, black pepper, some campanelle. I don't know how I say it. Fun pasta. It's the little rosette pasta. Some garlic. It actually calls for sliced garlic. That's why there's a head of garlic here. A little bit of sugar, some red chili pepper flakes, just a little bit, some olive oil, of course, balsamic vinegar, some tomato paste, and fresh basil. Yes. Now, yesterday, I mentioned I'm going to the Asian market, and I did, because I needed coconut milk, and I have a recipe this week, again, that requires coconut milk. But what I picked up is obviously the coconut milk. I picked up some Shiraka. They actually had it when I checked Bel Air the last time. They are out. I also needed some hoisin sauce. And this is Thai chili powder. This will add to my collection of chili powders. I don't know how many I have anymore. I've lost count. I think it's right around 8. I don't know. Yeah. It's always fun when I have to mix up with chili powder. But I always go, what region of the world is this dish from? That helps. So, and with the second coconut milk, that was only $17 for those items. And that's a really good deal. Yeah. So Asian market, it's called the Big X Market. It's on North Beale Road in Yuba County, California. Check it out. So on this marvelous Monday, eat great food, have a great day. Wow, I got that backwards. And have fun cooking.